What I want to see you do is duct tape as many ventilation holes as possible. Maybe leave one just for experimentation. Then grab a half-eaten slice of pepperoni pizza, maybe a few anchovies on there. I don't like anchovies, I hate them, but take that half-eaten slice of pizza and slap it right on the GPU and close up the case. Leave it in there and see how long it takes for you to start seeing smoke. If you make those few modifications to that PC, you are legally obligated to call that rig the Dance with Death.
Death, now available for tiny little children. Not sure if the Dance with Death is right with you? Just listen to these satisfied customers.
Our company is not responsible for any form of death, including suffocation, burning, allergic reaction to proxy, or gunshot wound.
Hi, my name is Marius. What you just saw was sarcasm with no purpose or motive. In no way do I actually intend for you to, or condone the action of covering all of your ventilation holes and putting a slice of pizza into the rig. I don't condone that at all. That's stupid. There's no other words to describe it, but other than saying that the idea is just plain stupid. And that's what I intended for this sketch. Sarcasm with no purpose or motive. Please, be scared.
Tempo change, trapped in the rain. Slide on my sidekick, rust anyway. I've been feeling lost in the dirt, I stray. Running from the man with the blade, I say. Look in the mirror, does it feel any better? Magazine cover, see my mama have better. Treatment season, don't fucking matter. Bigfoot, stumped in.